Without you, this wouldn't be possible. Kemsan sir, Ibotobo sir, and all the guests on the dais, kindly come for the picture.
Hello, Miss&Mr. You say I love you. Simino.
Thank you, Sir Kemsan and Sir Ibotobo for sponsoring for this fashion
Iron Lady!
Hunchibai, Manipur! I am so humbled to have you all here. I hope you all are doing well. Our mind right now is to that made me fall in love with Manipur today, and it's my first time ever. And I'm so honored and humbled to be here to celebrate and support the HUN-2023 Cultural Festival, and to also support the handlooms, weavers, and Manipur culture and heritage. And I can't do it without Robert Narong's excellency and a very talented so much for having me here. It would have never been possible without you, and it's my honor to be here to be the showstopper and to experience Manipur. I hope I come to Manipur soon. Lots of love.
One of the renowned choreographer of the fashion industry, and Sonalika Saez, one of the oldest and one of the supermodels of India who came here to support this show. Thank you so much. Can we have the Sita champions on the stage to honor something? Sonalika, please, and the models.
All the models and the so super of this day. Nipite
ho chlai langa thilpe chi sing lain ngalel po hitin tuai ipidang na ngalel na layuam ipidang na ngalel na layuam
Sariano, Mamo.
Ladies and gentlemen, are you all excited? Are you all excited? Here are our top 10 semi-finalists, ladies and gentlemen, and now it is shortlisted with top 5 finalists. Let's begin the top 5 finalists of Miss Thadou 2023 in no particular order. Moving closer to the crown of Miss Thadou 2023, and our first contestant is, in top 5, contestant number 5, Melody Dinaye. Next top 5 of Miss Thadou 2023 is contestant number 6, Miss Hoy Daisy. Moving to the finals, next we have contestant number 1313, Miss Chongwaki. To fill in on the next spot, to the top 5, we have contestant number 1. Just one more for the top 5. And ladies and gentlemen, who do you think would it be? Contestant number 4, Miss Champion. Presenting you the top 5 finalists of Miss Thadou 2023.
And after the solicitation of the 5 beautiful ladies, now we come again to the topmost 5 gentlemen of Mr. Thadou 2023. The first contestant number on the slot 5 is contestant number 3, Lady Pie. And you have your next contestant, that is contestant number 7, Leprechaun. The next contestant number on the top 5, that is contestant number 12, Dominic. 保乐龙。We have still 2 contestants to go for the top 5. Next we have contestant number 14, Saigon Tang. And we have the last slot left. Here, who do you guess? Have they got banged in the live wall? Yes! Contestant number 15, Thadou Sound!
I love you!
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting you your 5 finalists of Mr. and Miss Thadou 2023. A big round of applause for them. And thank you, the other rest. Gentlemen and ladies, you're all gorgeous, handsome, beautiful. Thank you so much. Mibiteho, to our top 5 finalists, kilheng hoi hoi na sa so kayuam. Hoi na sa so kayuam. Tua yi amahohin, ati now hum ki wedding ahin, ahoy so kayuhin. Koi yi ipi hum chang ding ham in a head diwahin. Tuhin amaho chito na kito na ay hum to guntin. Chiteng le common question umintin. Chito written on ball deal. At hilzi zo seo to iso le nipi in. Inangay so kay diwahiye.
Ladies and gentlemen, and for the top finalists of Miss&Mr, you will be given a common questions and you will have 2 minutes of time to write your answers. I repeat, you will have 2 minutes of time to write your answers. You will be given a common question to both the team.
Common question hikibang numayo awang to chom hintin amaho nga ating ahin kibang hintin pasalo ay question chom zek hong ikin hintin kibang ding amaho hin minute ni asi na ding uphat ane yuve.
And I also request the contestant to write your name and your contestant number on the paper. Boys, may you please take your seats there.
You don't go outside, okay, please. Stay with the pool. The one who put the table there. Where did you something?
Your common questions will be read out by our You please write your contestant number, your name. If you are done, can we go, gentlemen? Okay, let us give another round of cheers for these 5 gentlemen. Now, their questions goes like this. Which one will you choose? Good looking or physical strength, and why? I will translate in Thadou. Mel hoi le ta sa tha hoi chi zo na dei jam ipije inem. I repeat, which one will you choose, good looking or physical strength, and why? In Thadou, mel hoi le ta sa tha hoi chi zo na dei jam ipije inem. Don't right now.
So that was the question for the Mr. Thadou 2023. And here is a common question for you ladies. Have you written your names and your contestant number? Okay. So the question goes like this. It's for the ladies and gentlemen. What is your best talent? What is your best talent? How do you make use of it? I repeat, what is your best talent? How do you make use of it? Nathit na pen, polthe na pen, talent ipiham, iti naman sa tingham. You have 2 minutes to write your answer.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, the timer is on the back screen here. Once we say start, you can start writing and your time ticks from there. Can we go? Are you ready? Go. Let's have go.
Best of luck!
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Please stop writing. Okay. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, whichever answers we read out, you please stand up.
We'll start with the ladies. Contestant number 5, please. Beyond. Stand the seats, please. So contestant number 5 has written like this. My talent is that I am confident enough and have creative ideas to influence people. I will use this platform to raise my voice with my purpose, that is to influence the youth and make an impactful influence in the future. Last but not the least, confidently beautiful with a purpose. That is who I am. Your contestant number 5 answer. Thank you.
Next serial number 6, Kim Dae-hoi Daisy. You please come forward. This is not understanding. Kim Dae-hoi Daisy, contestant number 6, answers goes like this. My base talent is motivating, and I use my talent to cheer up or encourage my fellow youth by standing up in a pageantry contest to show that everything is possible if you believe in yourself. As I choose motivating as my talent, I hereby request every girl to believe in yourself. That is the answers from Kim Dae-hoi Daisy. Thank you.
And next we have contestant number 13, Miss Chong-hoi Kim Sing-son. Miss Chong-hoi Kim Sing-son, contestant number 13, has written in Thadou. And I would like to request Mr. Alex to be the translator, please, to the judges. She has written, Leisep chunga mihim hinan ball theina thepna akine che in ke thepna chu pathenin goal se la a volleyball phata a ki che theina ei pe hi ahin hichi hi ka ki che ma katha anom nin chapang dang ho katil kho ji a. That is the answer of contestant number 13, Miss Chong-hoi Kim Sing-son. Thank you.
Next contestant number 1, Ning Kim Kim Misao. Ning Kim Kim Misao answer goes like this. As an ordinary village girl, I'm lacking knowledge as well as skills. And if I have to say something about talent, it will probably a voice which I have to influence the youth as well as my fellow women to believe in themselves. That is the answers from Ning Kim Kim Misao. Thank you very much.
Last but not the least, we have Miss Ling Tam Kim, contestant number 4. Miss Ling Tam Kim, contestant number 4, answer goes like this. I believe talent is not only about something we can do physically. So, my biggest talent is being a positive thinker despite of all the challenges and obstacles I face throughout life. I make use of it by always being positive and confident about myself. That is the answer of contestant number 4, Miss Ling Tam Kim. Thank you.
With the end of the ladies, we come back to the gentlemen. We will begin with contestant number 15, Pao Moon Sang. Mr. Pao Moon Sang answer goes like this. I would prefer strong, healthy body as being a man. I will hold the responsibility to look after the family. Even in the society, men are looked upon to care and protect for the women and children. So I desire to protect and care for the women and children of my society. Being blessed with good looks is also a privilege. Thank you.
Next we have contestant number 14, Segunthang Misao. Contestant number 14, Mr. Segunthang Misao, answer goes like this. Look is temporary. Therefore, I would choose physical strength overlooked. With my strength, I would love to help the weak people, the disabled people, especially the old and elderly. Thank you.
Your next contestant number 12, Mr. Dominic Paulo. Here is his answer. Physical strength, muscular. As a man, I prefer a physical strength and a muscular body because being fit and strong keeps us healthy, and with health comes a wealth. A person is responsible for his health. Thank you.
Next, we have contestant number 7, Mr. Lakpuson Haukip. Mr. Lakpuson Haukip, contestant number 7, has written and his answers point on point. In number 1, he has written, I chose strength because our forefathers used their strength to earn their food, not by beauty. That is the first point. And the second point he has written is, as a man, we need strength for self-defense to protect ourselves and our loved ones. And on third point he has written, we need strength forward. That's the answer of Lakpuson Haukip, contestant number 7. Thank you.
We now have the last answers from the contestant number 3, the Layman Tankip Gen. This is the answer of Layman Tang. If I were given an opportunity to choose between good looks or physical fitness, I will definitely choose the later, which will be physical fitness. Physical health is important, just as our mental health is important. I honestly believe looks can only take you so far, so if given an opportunity, I will choose physical health and take a holistic approach in the way I think, in the way I feel, and the way I act. That is what I will do. Thank you very much.
That was the answer. That is the answer of the top 5 finalists of Mr. and Miss Thadou 2023. Are you all satisfied? Kampo B, are you all satisfied, ladies and gentlemen? Yes, indeed. And we now would like to request all the contestants to rise up from the seat and to take a ramp word and to exit backstage. Thank you all.
Now we will have a moment of felicitation again. Tonight we have so many important persons among us. The organizing committee would like to felicitate.
Ma'am, on the stage, please. The 2 remaining subtitles for Miss Thadou is named Best Costume and Best Catwalk. The winner of Miss Best Costume goes to contestant number 3, Miss Hinh Hoy. And to do the honor, Ma'am Juliana Donald. And the last subtitle is named Basket Work. And ma'am, please. The last subtitle is named Basket Work. And to do the honor, we would like to call on stage P. Kimnel, our Honorable MLA, Saikul ma'am, please on the stage. Miss Thadou subtitle, Basket Work goes to contestant number 13, Mr. White.
With that, we come to the end of the subtitle round. And now, for the crowning moment, we would like to hand over the time to our brother Paul Hongkin. Let us give a round of applause for brother Paul.
Thank you very much. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to crown and sense the winners of Miss&Mr. 2023. And before we do the honors, I would like to welcome on the stage the former winners. Let's welcome Mr. Thadou 2021, HUN-2023 Missao. Let's welcome on the stage the first runner-up of Miss&Mr. 2021, Pautinkai Guite. Let's now welcome on the stage the second runner-up of Miss&Mr. 2021, Lunginlal Kipgan. On the stage, Honorable Minister, Sir White Him on the stage, please. Can I have on the stage the Honorable Minister, Sir, please come help us do the honor of giving away the gas award to the Mr. Thadou 2023. Can I also have on stage Sir Ibo Chauba, PIPL General Manager. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming on the stage Honorable MLA Thadou Assembly Constituency, Bu Hoklet Kipgen. Unfortunately, Honorable MLA Bu Hoklet Kipgen is not here. So, can we also have on the stage Honorable MLA Sir Sutindro? Honorable Minister, I'm sorry. Honorable Minister Sir Sutindro. May I now thank you very much. Can we now welcome on the stage the former winner, Miss Thadou 2021, Priscilla Hawking. Unfortunately, the first and second runner-up of Miss Thadou 2021 couldn't make it today. So the former winner will do the sassy, the crowning, and also give away the bouquet to the winners. May I now invite on the stage Honorable Minister B. Nemsa again. She will be giving away the cash prize to the winner of Miss Thadou 2023. Can I also have on the stage Honorable MLA Be Honest. Can we also have on the stage Honorable MLA of Cycle Assembly Constituency, B. Kim Neo Hong Sing. Can we also have on the stage Honorable MLA Ibokta? Yes, this is the moment we've all been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen. Let me now have the privilege and honor to announce the winners of Mr. Thadou 2023. I shall begin with the second runner-up. Second runner-up of Mr. Thadou 2023 goes to contestant number 14, Segun Tang. I would like to request the second runner-up, Lungilal Kipgan, to please do the sassing. And I'll also give away the trophy and the bouquet. And to give away the cash award, I would like to request Honorable Minister Sir Satindro to give away the cash prize. Yes, the second runner-up will walk away with a cash prize of rupees 50,000. And without any further delay, I shall announce the first runner-up of Mr. Thadou 2023, and it goes to contestant number 3, Lei Min Tong. I would like to request Bao Ding Tai, the first runner-up, to do the sassing and also give away the bouquet and the trophy. As the first runner will also walk away with a cash prize of rupees 70,000. I would like to request Sir Nico Talba, General Manager, BIPL, to give away the cash. Yes, and before I announce the winner of Mr. Thadou, I would like to call on the second runner-up of Miss Thadou 2023 and to give away the sash, the bouquet, and the crown. May I invite the former winner, Priscilla, to please step forward. Yes, and the second runner-up of Miss Thadou 2023 goes to contestant number 4, Ning Chong Kim. And to give away the cash award, I would like to request Honorable MLA, Cycle Assembly Constituency, P. Kim Neo Hansi, to please give away the cash award. Yes, second runner-up will walk away with the cash prize of rupees 50,000. First runner-up goes to contestant number Contestant number 1, Nathan Kim. Yes, the gas award will be 70,000 is sponsored by Hamin, Thadou, King District. And to give away the gas prize, may I request Honorable Evelyn be all this. Now time to announce the winner of Mr. Thadou 2023. Alright, without any further delay, boys, brace yourself. The winner of Mr. Thadou 2023 is contestant number 15, Bob. So please do the sassing and give away the bouquet and the trophy. I would like to request Honorable Minister, who I came down, to please give away the cash prize. Yes, the winner of Mr. Thadou will walk away with a cash prize of rupees 1 lakh. Now time to announce the winner of Miss Thadou 2023. And Miss Thadou 2023 goes to contestant number 6, Hoy Daisy. Prize of rupees 1 lakh. Yes, I would like to request Honorable Minister P. Nemzak again to please give away the cash prize. Alright, so Bonta, Honorable Evelyn will also give away the cash prize to the winner along with the Nemzak again, Honorable Minister. Thank you all so much, Honorable Ministers and Evelyn. You may kindly have your seat. Thank you all so much, sir. Ma'am, you may kindly have your seats. Alright, have your first walk, please? Yes, all the winners of Mr. and Miss Thadou 2023, I would like to request you to please have your first walk as the winners.
When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the flood, gonna drown me out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me.
Yes, congratulations to all the winners of Mr. and Miss Thadou 2023. Yes, our former winners would like to have a photo session, so I would like to request all the winners to please come center stage. I would like to request all the winners and the former winners to please have a photo session. All the winners and the former winners, I would like to request to please come to center stage. The winners, center stage, please.
When the sharpest words wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send the flood, gonna drown me out. This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me.
Alright. Congratulations to all the winners. Can we have only the winners on the stage? Can we have only the winners? Lung safety in stage ang yung kalpina hibo lung safety in photo session na ilumin. A request and a personal request lung safety in stage ang yung kalpina hibo. Yes. Now all the winners of Mr. and Miss Thadou 2023 will have a photo session. Thadou first.
Pasal pasal kat day yung agun mo. Ano? Ano?